So we have 100,000 people without power. So we're going to try to, get down to Yorktown, and we sent out a robocall and told people to come for some free dinner, get warm, and so this is the process. Got to cook it. Yeah.
We are excited.
Do you want one or two, or?
Yes, two.
Yeah, two would be good.
Thank you
great.
so much.
Yeah. No, I even talked to Susan two times today. And,
Oh, did you talk to Sue?
yeah.
In my office?
And I look. You're allowed to go back.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then we've got more dry
I
ice
have
for
the
you.
directions here. Just make sure you don't put your hand on it. The thing is that behind us is a facility that has a bunch of seniors in it, assisted living, and they're without water, they're without heat, and is symbolic of the larger community. And New York State isn't prepared. We weren't prepared for Irene. We weren't prepared for this storm, and we're going to have to do a really serious review as a state.
And what's the worst you've seen?
I represent over 300,000 people. This facility with hundreds of seniors that are walking around in the dark. They have no hot water. They have no running water whatsoever. This is dangerous, and we see this all throughout the community. I'm glad to provide food, but I can't provide food for everybody in the entire district. New York State has to get it together. We've got to hold NYSEG accountable and make sure that something like this never happens again.